Hi, it's Colli from Colli Talks Transformative Conversations. Oh, I'm so excited about this episode. You know, it's almost Christmas time. And, well, what can I say? I'm about to do a pop up session. Yes, that's right. It's Anchoring Peace, your holiday congruence pop up sessions. Mm, some people might go, well, what is that all about, right? I get it. Well, I want to first of all welcome you back to Colli Talks Transformative Conversations. And as you know, I'm your creator, producer, and host, Dr. Colli Christante. And today I have a special gift for you. It's the chance to feel true, effortless joy this holiday season. The holidays are meant for celebration, love, and connection. But if you're like most people, you might already be feeling the drain of the invisible stress. And there's this thing called financial worry, especially right now. There's so much financial stress in our world. So this year, let's stop accepting the exhaustion. And you might wonder, well, can I believe this year can be different? Well, it can be. And I'm hosting a rare, powerful pop up session designed to restore your energy and anchor your peace so you can genuinely celebrate. Now, let's talk about the energy that you carry. The reason the joy often feels just kind of out of reach is that you are absorbing the system or the systems unintegrated stress. And that is an invisible family burden that you've inherited. You might feel physical tension, anxiety, financial worry, and this is your powerful body responding to the pressure to suffer, to belong, right? And what do you mean, like belong? Well, do I bring enough gifts? Are they expensive enough? Are they Prada? Are they Gucci? All that stuff, right? So this is not about what you need to bring to belong. You are enough to belong. So my work proves that this pressure to suffer, to belong, is not your fault. You are ready. Trust me, you are ready for liberation. We're simply clearing the path so your natural joy can flow effortlessly. You don't need to fight. You need to unplug the energy drain. Now, let's talk about those wonderful tools for celebration. As I said before, I'm hosting a powerful, concise pop up session, Anchoring Peace, your holiday congruence session, to give you the precise tools to become the energetic anchor of your own celebration. In this 2025 year of Christmas, we all need to celebrate in a way that honors ourselves. So, in this 90-minute live session, you are going to learn the peace switch, simple moves to turn off your body's panic button when stress hits, the vagus nerve tools. And believe me, at Christmas time, it does happen. Your body goes into a bit of a panic button, whether you realize it or not. So you're also going to learn the money boundary, how to find the pattern that makes you overgive out of guilt or wanting to be accepted or approved of or to be considered, wow, look what you've done for me. You know, so this is, your cash flow is protected and you can gift from a place of joy, not obligation or feeling to win someone's approval, especially when it comes to family, right? how to win their approval. So, the next thing you will learn is the joyful exit, how to move through family gatherings feeling whole, safe, and recharged, claiming that ease for your own dreams and celebration. And maybe even sharing your dreams during this time of celebration to celebrate what they've done, what you're doing, what they are doing in a way that where they're going and where you're going in terms of your dreams. This is the ultimate serenity strategy, the gift of true peace you give to yourself this year. This pop up won't be offered again this year because, we're getting close to the countdown now. So, this is your chance to reclaim your peace and joy. And I can only anchor a limited number of people. So, here are the details because I know you're going to want to know them, right? The what? Well, these are simple and non negotiable. Anchoring peace, your holiday congruence session, live pop up session. When? Wednesday, December 10th. Time? 7 to 8:30 Central Standard Time. Now, if you're, on the West Coast, well, that's going to mean you are at 5 o'clock till 5, 6, yeah, till 7:30. If you are in Ontario, that's 8 o'clock till 10:30. Well, yeah, 9:30. So people are going to ask, well, what's the cost? The cost is very minimal. It's an investment in your sanity and survival. It's $50. And, if you really are struggling and you want to attend, I'll do a sliding scale. Just give me what you can in terms of a donation. So to enroll, send the $50 via e-transfer to innerexpression88@gmail.com. That's INNEREXPRESSION 88@gmail.com, or PayPal it to the same email address. Now, one thing I want to mention too is that enrollment closes on December 7th. So please choose joy this year. Buy your peace back today. And really, really, really thank yourself for choosing celebration. Go secure your serenity now because you are so more than worth it. And I really look forward to being with you and all the others who join us. You will receive, upon your registration, a Zoom link to join in this amazing gift for yourself, to yourself, from yourself. So for now, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And just know I'm sending lots of love and soul hugs. Bye for now.